Dear children of class 6th, in this video we will discuss the present continuous tense. This is the continuation of lesson number 10. So, according to this, present continuous tense shows the action which is going on at the time of speaking. You can very well understand this through this timeline where 2 points have been given. Point A stands for a time in the past when the action is started, and point B stands for the present when the action is still continuing. So this timeline will help you knowing when present continuous tense is used. Now, what is the uses of present continuous tense? Through this page you will learn wherever do we use this present continuous tense. First is to indicate an action which is still continuing, like any action. See the example, I am doing my homework. At the present moment, what are you doing? Right? Children are playing in the ground. Next, to indicate an action that is taking place at the present time and not necessarily at the present moment, like what is going on into your life. Example, I am reading the last book of the Harry Potter series and he is studying medicine. At the present moment, they are not doing that particular work, but the work is going on into their lives. Third is to indicate a future action or event that is predetermined to happen, like which is predetermined, pre-decided that this action will take place, will also comes into present continuous tense. For example, I am leaving for Hyderabad tomorrow, like the action was predetermined by the doer. Binny is coming to Kolkata next month. The action of coming to Kolkata is already decided, right? Next, we see the structure. How do we construct the sentence? In the present continuous tense, we see the examples. I am dancing now, he is studying, the children are eating their lunch. The main thing that you are observing in all these three examples is ing form of verb, right? And along with the ing form, there is be type of auxiliary verb has also been given all the three sentences according to the number of the subject. So all the above sentences are in the present continuous tense, and therefore we can say the structure of the present continuous tense is as follows, like auxiliary verb is be type, verb ing form of main verb. That's all for present continuous tense, dear children. Thank you.